Hello everybody. Google Docs. How to configure a document with portrait or landscape format. Very easy. Format, page orientation, and here we can choose. That's it. If I want to have different formats in the same document, I'll start as I was in portrait. That's it. I can select this content and then apply format, page orientation, but only to the selected content, and choose landscape. There we go. Here we have a portrait format, and here will be landscape format. And I can continue doing the same thing with this format, page orientation, and playing with sections and contents. Okay, enjoy it.